Service in Lake Charles has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Iberia Parish in south central Louisiana, southeastern Lafayette Parish in south central Louisiana, west central St. Martin Parish in south central Louisiana, northeastern Vermilion Parish in southwestern Louisiana, until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2.5 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Lafayette, New Iberia, Abbeville, St. Martinville, Jeanred, Broussard, Youngsville, Eref, Delcombe, Maurice, Lauraville, Acadiana Regional Airport, Coteau, Cade, Jefferson Island, Lydia and Milton. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service